What's up guys, this is Guy back at it again for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spiral within spirals. So it's basically going to spin out like our name. Remember the name thing the name spiral we did like 2 videos ago or a video ago? Remember that? It's basically going to be like a spiral which spins and like is in like the same shape as the name thing we did. So make sure you've watched the past videos. I'll be putting a playlist in the end screen, so just wait till the end. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in import turtle. And then we're gonna do t is space equal to turtle dot pen open close parentheses t dot speed. We're gonna put that to 0, so it's gonna go super fast, so we don't have to wait a while. Now we're gonna do the width of the pen, so t dot width open close parentheses 2, so that's gonna be the width. And then we're going to do the pen up, so t dot pen up open close parentheses, and then we're going to do turtle dot bg color, which is background color. We're going to do open close parentheses quotes, and we're going to do black. And yeah, this is basically what we've been doing in the past turtle drawing shape videos, or like the past spiral videos. It's basically the same, but just wait till the end when you see the difference. So yeah, so now we're gonna do the sides. So sides space equal to space integer int open close parentheses. In those parentheses you want to write turtle dot num input. We did this piece of code in the last video. We're gonna do another open parentheses. We're gonna do some quotes, number of sides. Then we're gonna put a comma after that. We're gonna do a space and then another set of quotes. How many sides in your spiral of spirals? So yeah, we're gonna put a question mark, and we're gonna do a space, and make sure you haven't so once we've done the question mark, we're gonna do a space. We're gonna do open close parentheses 2 to 6, so it's gonna put the range 2 to 6. And then now we can put a comma, and now we're going to put in the presets. So 4 2 6. So these are going to be the presets in our program, so they're going to be there when we start it up. Okay, now what we're going to do is the colors. So next line of code, let's do colors space equal to open close brackets. We're gonna do 2 sets of quotes. We're gonna do red. We're gonna close that up, put a comma, another set of quotes. Yellow. We're gonna put a comma. We're gonna do another space. blue, we're basically writing strings. So yeah, so we're gonna do green, comma, purple, we're gonna do another comma, orange, and yeah, so those are the colors we're gonna be doing. Because we only have 6 sides as the largest amount. So if we add 10 sides, then we're gonna have to put in 10 colors. So yeah, so let's move on to a piece of code which we haven't done in any of these episodes. So first thing we're gonna do is for m, we're gonna put a new variable instead of x. So m in range, hit caps, range of 100. We're gonna do a colon, then we're gonna hit enter. Now it's gonna indent for us. So if it doesn't indent for you, just hit tab. So t dot forward, open close parentheses, m times 4. Now we're gonna hit enter. If I'm going a bit too fast, you can slow down the video and just wait and catch up. So the next thing we're gonna do is do our position. So this is a piece of code which we haven't done. So it's gonna remember the corner of the spiral. So every time if we didn't have this piece of code, it would basically just keep on doing a regular spiral inside of that spiral. So then it wouldn't look cool. So we're gonna tell the turtle to stay in the same position as it ended. So position space equal to t dot position. We're gonna do open close parentheses, heading, space t dot heading, open close parentheses, make sure you don't do any spelling mistakes because I just did a mistake here. So we're gonna try not to get too many syntax errors. So this time we're gonna do a new thing. It's basically gonna print everything that is running, well, the position and heading which is running, and it's gonna output it in our shell so we can understand how it works. So we're gonna do print, fix that up here, print open close parentheses, position, comma, heading. So as I just explained right before we did this piece of code, it's basically going to print everything out so we can understand it. So now what we want to do is we're going to assign another variable to this. So instead of m, we're going to do for n, letter n, in range, open close parentheses, int for integer, open close another set of parentheses, m/2. Now we're gonna do a colon so it can output to what we've what we're gonna do. So yeah. So if we just had it regularly, it would still output it, but like it wouldn't go through the whole line. So Python's based in like spacing and stuff like that. Okay, it looks like I've got too many lines, so let's just shorten that up. Okay, so t.pen down, open close parentheses, t.pen color, open close parentheses, colors, brackets, open close, n percentage sides. Okay. Now we can do t dot forward, open close parentheses, 2 times n. Now we can do t dot right. Now we're gonna do some parentheses, open and close. Inside of those parentheses, we're gonna do 360 slash sides. We're gonna do a space, and we're gonna do a minus or a hyphen sign, and yeah. So now we're gonna ask it to pick the pen up when that's done. So t.pen up, open close parentheses. So now, since we've done that, we need to hit a backspace so we can stop it from indenting. So now what we're gonna do is do a different piece of code which we haven't done in any of these videos, is t.set position, so set pause, and inside of those parentheses we're going to do position. We're going to enter that. We're going to do t.set heading. We're going to do some parentheses, open and close, heading, and now we're gonna do t.left, open close parentheses, 360 slash sides, space, plus, we're going to do a space, and then we're going to do a plus, and then we're going to do another space, and 2. So yeah, this is by far the longest set of code we have done in the series, and yeah, what an accomplishment. So let's hit the run, and it's gonna ask us to save it in the desktop. I'm gonna do it. Okay, it's not here. So let me save it as viral spiral. This better go viral. .py. Okay, so now we've saved it, and as you can see, there is going to be a preset of 4. We're going to do 6, because why not? And there is an issue. It is not printing anything.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so there was a problem, and the problem was whenever I run it, it didn't display anything. So after further checking stuff out, it was an indenting issue. So make sure you indent it, because my bad for not indenting it. So it's because it's a nested loop, that's why. So if you enter it in right now, you can see that it's going in a spiral kind of, shape. So yeah, so make sure you indent everything, especially when it's a nested loop. Yeah, so Python's mostly based on indenting, so don't forget that, because first timers always forget it, like me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you liked it or not. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. See ya.